Take a ride in the 2010 Sebring. The Sebring's sleek exterior design captures the essence of movement, while the interior craftsmanship offers a cabin with an abundance of style and comfort, including seating for 5. The Sebring is available in 3 different styles, including sedan, soft-top convertible, and hardtop convertible. Sebring makes driving fun again and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, cruise control, electroluminescent instrumentation, child safety locks, power door locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 1 cargo area light. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.